Let's turn now to meteorologist Jeff Forgeron, who
Yeah.
is tracking this storm as we all are waiting to find out when it will. I mean, we've been talking continually about what's happening in the mountains and the coast.
Right.
Still an issue today.
Yeah.
And when it might make its way to the valley floor.
Right. So let's start out. A lot of people are probably heading up to the mountains, so I want to highlight what's going on up there. There's a winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. tonight for the Cascades, and there's an avalanche warning in effect for the Mount Hood area, specifically the backcountry. I want to read some information that we got from the Northwest Avalanche Center. They're saying that large natural avalanches are likely in the backcountry today. That's because the snow is very unsettled out there. We're expecting an additional 1 to 2 feet of snow over the next 24 hours. And on top of that, it's going to be very gusty out there today. This is a live look at Government Camp right now. We're dealing with quite a bit of snow on the area roadways. It's 31 degrees right now at Government Camp, which means that the freezing level is just below Government Camp. So we're going to call the freezing level this morning somewhere between 3,000 to 4,000 feet. Pretty high up this morning, but it's going to be coming crashing down later on today. Updated snowfall depths at our local ski resorts. There's about 50 inches of snow at Skible, give or take a few inches. There's about 97 inches of snow at Timberline Lodge and 82 inches at Mount Hood Meadows. 97 inches. That's just over 8 feet of snow on the ground at Timberline Lodge. And I know you can't really see too well on this image because there's some ice on the screen, but that's what 8+ feet of snow looks like. And I'm just going to highlight there is some snow building up along the rooftops out there at Timberline Lodge. Just incredible stuff. And there's plenty more coming in. Take a look at this wall of moisture moving up into the Cascades, transitioning over to a wintry mix in snow around rhododendron. Elevations lower than that are just dealing with a wintry mix or rain, but there is plenty of moisture moving in from the northwest. Pockets of moderate to heavy showers, which will turn more scattered later on this afternoon and tonight. So I think by tomorrow morning, we're going to pick up an additional 1 to 2+ feet of snow at our local ski resorts. We could also see a bit of a dusting by tomorrow morning along some of the foothills at about elevations of 500 to 1,000 feet. During the afternoon and tomorrow night, we're going to see more moisture move in. I think it's going to be a little bit too warm at the valley floor for snow until we get into Tuesday morning, and perhaps we could see maybe 1 to 2 inches if everything sets up correctly down to the valley floor. That's by Tuesday morning. I still don't think that we have any major travel concerns, though, over the next few days. I'm really looking at Wednesday and Thursday for more significant moisture moving in. That's when the air could rush out of the Columbia River Gorge, sending cold air across much of northwest Oregon and parts of southwest Washington. So if we're going to see any significant snowfall totals, it's probably going to be between Wednesday and Thursday, but minor snow accumulations can't be ruled out between tonight and Tuesday morning.